So, hello students again. So, we were doing deep water, and in the continuation, just I want to recap the previous read things that this boy or the author William O. Douglas actually wanted to learn to swim, and for that he went to YMCA pool at the river Yakima, and that river was dangerous, but YMCA pool was safe. So he started to going there, but he did not want to walk naked into it and show his skinny legs. But I subdued my pride and did it. Subdued, kept aside because he didn't want to show his legs, but still he subdued his pride and did it. What? Walked naked in that pool. Now, from the beginning, however, I had an aversion to the water. Aversion, dislike. They are giving the reason that why he had an aversion. When I was in it, in the water, this started when I was 3 or 4 years old, and father took me to the beach in California. This is a flashback, a memory which created an aversion of water in the life of William O. Douglas. So he went to a beach in California with his father. He and I stood together in the surf. जो waves हैं वहाँ पर वो खड़ा था, दोनों खड़े थे. I hung on to him. He was clinging to him. Yet the waves knocked me down and swept over me. Means he just fall down with the waves, and the waves were swept over him. He was actually flowing with the waves. He was started to flow with the waves. I was buried in water. My breath was gone. I was frightened. Father laughed, but there was terror in my heart and the overpowering force of the wave. Means he was so suffocated, his breath was gone, he was totally frightened, but his father was laughing. Now, can you tell me that why must his father was laughing, though this boy was frightened? Just because his father must be knowing that this is nothing. Because as a father, as an experienced person, he knows that he will not drown. And when his son was actually panicking, he was just making him doing little calm down. But there was terror in my heart at the overpowering force of the waves. But his laugh could not make any good, and he was actually terrified with the overpowering. He could not fight with that. वो नहीं लड़ पाया, और वो जो overpowering force था waves का, वो जो डर था वो उसके मन में बैठ गया. Since this age, when he was 3 or 4 years old. Now he is going, now again in the present tense, now he is going to YMCA pool. My introduction to the YMCA swimming pool revived unpleasant memories and stirred childish fears. But in a little while, I gathered confidence. YMCA pool revived means again came back all those unpleasant memories. Which were unpleasant? This California beach aversion of water. But stirred means जो कहीं छुपे हुए थे, दबे हुए थे, मतलब वो move हुए, those fears again came. And but in a little while he gathered confidence, because he had to do that. I paddled with my new water wings, watching the other boys and trying to learn by aping them. Aping, copying them. So he was looking at the other boys, he was gaining confidence, and he was trying to copy how they were doing. I did this 2 or 3 times on different days and was just beginning to feel at ease. Feel at ease, beginning to feel comfortable in the water when the misadventure happened. Now, he is trying to tell us that he was started making himself comfortable with the water, but 2-3 days he did that, copied the other students, but something happened just after 2-3 days, and he is telling that misadventure. I went to the pool when no one else was there. The place was quiet. One day he went to the pool, nobody was there, and the place was very much quiet. The water was still, and the tiled bottom was as white and clean as a bathtub. because nobody was there, so the water was also clean. As a bathtub, everything was visible, right? The tiled bottom. I was timid, scared about going in alone, so I sat on the side of the pool to wait for others. As you can imagine, a boy who is a little scared, he was waiting for somebody or the other boys to come, so he was sitting at the edge of the pool. Okay, I had not been there long when in came a big bruiser of a boy. Bruiser, kind of a muscular, well built physique, जिस बच्चे की थी वो एक kind of big built, heavy built boy. He came in, probably 18 years old. 18 years का रहा होगा. He had thick hair on his chest. He was a beautiful physical specimen with legs and arms that showed rippling muscles. As I earlier said that he was a muscular built man. Physique was very good. So he's saying that he was a beautiful physical specimen, मतलब एक मॉडल जैसा है वो. लेग्स और आर्म्स हैं, उसमें रिपलिंग मूविंग मसल्स हैं. He yelled, "Hi Skinny." He refers to that bruiser kind of a boy. "Hi Skinny, how would you like to be ducked?" Ducked, to be thrown. कैसा लगेगा तुम्हें अगर मैं तुम्हें पानी में डाल दूँ? How do you like to be ducked? With that, he did not question actually. He said this, and with that, he picked me up and tossed me into the deep end. He was just very quick. He asked, and then he threw me into the deep end, which was 9 feet. I landed in a sitting position. Sitting position, वो जैसे बैठा था उसको उठा के as it is, he ducked in the water. So he landed in the sitting position, swallowed water as he was going down. He swallowed some water and went at once to the bottom. I was frightened, but not yet frightened out of my wits. He was terrified very much, but he was not out of his wits, means senses. On the way down, when he was going down in the pool, he planned. What he's saying, that on the way down, he planned. As you can see, when my feet hit the bottom, I would make a big jump, come to the surface, lie flat on it, and paddle to the edge of the pool. Very important that what did he plan? What was his planning? उसने क्या प्लान किया? That when his feet hit the bottom, he would make a big jump, come to the surface, lie flat on it, and paddle to the edge of the pool. I hope you are understanding. जैसे ही वो bottom को hit करेंगे उसके पैर, he will make a quick big jump, come to the surface, lie flat on the water surface, and paddle with those water wings to the edge of the pool. He planned because he was not out of his senses. It seemed a long way down when he was going down, so it was a long way. Those 9 feet were more like 90. And before I touched bottom, my lungs were ready to burst because he was swallowing water, and though he planned, but those 9 feet were looking like 90 feet. And what he was thinking, that when I'll touch the bottom, but before he touched the bottom, his lungs were ready to burst, so much heavy. But when my feet hit bottom, I summoned, gathered. He again summoned all my strength and made what I thought was a great spring upwards. Spring, jump. See, when we are in a tough condition, we have to gather our courage. Though we are wretched, totally, we are miserable, we are pathetic, but we have to gather the courage. And this is called the peace. When you are in a difficult situation, you cannot panic. You should not panic. You should think. And that's what he did. What he did, he planned. And even if his lungs were ready to burst, but when he touched the bottom, he did whatever he planned. I summoned all my strength and made what I thought was a great spring upwards. He thought that he made a great jump. I imagined I would bob to the surface like a cork. You know, when we open a cork जो lid, so what it does, it just come, अगर आप उसको पानी में दबाएंगे cork को, तो वो बहुत तेज़ी से ऊपर आता है, right? So again, it's a very important question, that what he imagined, that he imagined that I would bob to the surface like a cork, right? Instead, I came up slowly, very slowly. He thought that he made a great jump. He thought that he will come up like a spring upwards, but the reality was the opposite. He came up very slowly there. So, this is it for today. Just do this. In the next segment, we'll do the next one. Bye.